Have you ever wanted something really badly but you didn't have the money for it? Maybe a cool toy, a fun day out, or even a special gift for someone? What if I told you that you don't have to wait for allowance? You can start earning your own money right now, from home. Let's check out some fun and creative ways to make money as a kid. Idea number 1. Mystery box sales. People love surprises. Instead of selling just one toy or book, why not create a mystery box filled with fun items? Pack a mix of old toys, stickers, cool drawings, or even DIY crafts and sell them to friends, neighbors, or family. It's like a surprise gift and a fun way to make money. Idea number 2. The snack hustle. If you love snacks, who doesn't? Try making no-bake treats and selling them. Think popcorn bags, trail mix, or homemade granola bars. Ask your parents for permission and sell them at family gatherings or to neighbors. Everyone loves a tasty treat. Idea number 3. The chore swap service. Chores aren't fun, right? But guess what? Some people hate certain chores more than others. If your sibling, friend, or even a family member really doesn't want to clean their room or fold laundry, offer to do it for them, for a small fee. Smart, right? Idea number 4. The ultimate lost and found helper. People are always losing things. Keys, books, even their favorite socks. Start a lost and found helper service in your house. Anytime someone misplaces something and you help find it, they pay a small finder's fee. Pretty cool way to make money, huh? Idea number 5. The birthday card creator. People love giving cards, but store-bought ones are expensive and boring. Why not make your own custom birthday and holiday cards and sell them? You can draw, add stickers, or even make digital ones with a parent's help. Personal, fun, and a great way to make extra cash. See? Making money at home doesn't have to be boring. Which idea are you going to try first? Let me know. And if you want even more smart money tips, hit that like, subscribe, and share this video to help other kids start their own money journey. See you next time, little money minds.